I'm Nomawethu Mfutwana. I'm staying here in Nqiningana village in South Africa. I have a preschool here. I'm working for the community. I have 20 kids. I'm suffering for food for each month. But parents fundraise 20 rand each kids. But it's not enough for the kids. So I'm asking help or support. That is finished.
What are you looking for support for?
I'm looking for support every month, if food parcels, whatever. Yeah,
So that you don't run out of food before the end of the month.
no.
And how long does your food last now?
Food is, I think it's 3 months back.
But every month, do you run out of food in the middle of the month, or?
And at the end of the month, I have a food, but in the middle of the month, the food is finished.
Well, maybe we can ask support then from the people overseas, and they can help us to raise a little bit of money so we can help the school. Yeah, and also we can raise money for seeds too. And I'm going to turn the camera around so we can see this beautiful garden. This is the school garden, and as you can see, it's very dry, but they're growing quite a bit of food, but there's still a lot of room that we can improve, and that way there's more food for the school. So, thank you very much for telling your story.
Okay, and the problem is that is no water.
Yeah, yeah. But we can help with the food part.
Okay.
Yeah, all right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.